Hello,
How are you?
I am great. Thank you. How are you?
I'm doing really great.
Okay, your name is Julia, right?
Yeah, it is. And you're Mohammed or Ramzan?
Yes, Ramzan.
Ramzan. Okay.
Yes, correct.
Great. Where are you from?
I am from India.
Cool.
Yes. So, what's your profession?
I'm an English teacher here
Mm-hmm.
on Cambly and also at a local college.
Mm-hmm.
What about you?
I am a software engineer working on websites and mobile apps.
Wow, that's cool.
Yes.
How old are you?
I am 24.
Oh, wow.
And you are 23?
I'm 22. I'll be 23 in October.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
So, yes, basically, I am interested to improve my listening skills, and for that, what I want is like I should know about your culture and just share the things from my end. So, in that way, we can continue the conversation.
Cool. So, do you want to just maybe listen for a little and then uh, you can ask questions about what I said to make sure that you understood?
Yes, yes, correct.
Cool. So, I guess I can just tell you a little about like my background. Is that something that you want to hear
Yes,
about?
I'm you. I mean, you are living in the country, so what's going on over there? I mean, how is the culture there? And you are more satisfied over there. You are living a happy life. So in that way.
Yeah. So I'm originally from the United States, from
Uh-huh.
Washington, D.C., but I currently live in Ecuador in South America. And yeah, I really enjoy it. It's very different. Um, there's a lot of things I miss about the United States,
Hmm.
um, like my car and just how easy everything was for me. But Ecuador is really beautiful. Um, and it's like a new experience. I learn a lot every day being here. And yeah, it's been very fun.
So you are living with your family, or you are in the hostel or something, somewhere else.
Yeah, I live with my boyfriend in our apartment.
So you get married with him.
Yeah, maybe in a few years.
So, I mean, this is a really a different culture which I found in US. That is like before marriage, boyfriend and girlfriend are living together. So
Yeah, that's
your
true.
your parents are allowing you.
They allow me?
I mean, they are allowing you to live with him.
Yeah, so that's another, I guess, thing that's super different is like my parents did the same thing. Like before they were married, they lived together for I think 3 years and then they got married.
Okay.
So yeah, they suggested that I live with him prior to marrying him.
So
And
if
yeah,
you would be in India or maybe any Islamic countries, they will kill you immediately.
wow. Yeah. Wow,
Yes,
that's crazy.
there are
So
strict rules. Yes.
yeah, in India, how do people like be like how do they know each other before they get married? Or
Yeah,
they don't?
we have two types of people. So one are like little advanced, like who are more familiar with the Western culture, like US and other countries. So they are just trying to connect with the girls in their colleges and just try to communicate with them. And then after they, I mean, do the conversation with their parents, and then after they get married. But it is not like they are living together, because this is a biggest I mean, you can call it that this is a biggest issue if they are living there. Society cannot encourage them to do this. Other than that, there are some families who are little backward, so they are, boy and girl are not aware of themselves, but still their parents are just trying to find any suitable match, and then try to converse it, and then get married.
Wow.
So
Like,
yes,
I think it's an arranged marriage, right?
yes, arranged marriage.
Yeah. What do you think about that? Do you think it's good to know your partner before getting married?
I think that I should know before getting married, but it is a disadvantage for girl if live together, because there is a probability that if the boyfriend is losing you, or maybe you are losing him, so what would be the solution? I mean, your next person who will be getting married with you, so at that moment sometimes they will dislike, because you are already connected with someone else. So maybe you have a different culture, but in India there is something like that. I mean, if someone is already talking with someone else, and then they hate him or her, so
Hmm.
this type of culture is here.
Interesting.
So
Yeah,
you don't have that type of fear that if he will you will lose him.
no. No. mean, I mean, I would be sad if that happened, but I mean, yeah, we live together. Like we already kind of know that like we are like a pair basically, like we go together.
Mhm.
So I don't have that much fear. The culture is very, I guess, different with relationships in India. It's very
So
interesting.
so for example, your I mean, the things are broken somehow. Then what would be the solution then?
Well, I mean, he would probably move out
Mhm.
because, like, I don't have family in Ecuador, like where we are, but he does. So he would just go back to his family's house, and I would be here. And yeah, that would
You
probably,
mean that you will find someone else? Yeah, I mean,
yeah,
this is the type of culture, right?
yeah, like we would probably find different people.
Okay, so you mean that they, if you are finding someone else, then there is not the possibility that they will be keeping that negative sense that you was already with someone else.
No, definitely not. Yeah, I mean, I guess like it's just a different thing. Like most people have a lot of boyfriends and
Mhm.
even husbands before they get married. Like my mom was already married once before she married my dad, and she had had many relationships prior to meeting him, and you know, that's just normal.
Okay. Yes,
Yeah.
yes, of course. It depends on the culture, but in the countries like Saudi Arabia or maybe any Islamic countries, so there are the rules like if you are seeing any specific girl, then maybe you will get killed if they found that you did that.
Yeah.
So this is really a strict rules and regulation, but I found that you have an open culture, and you have, I mean, there is a liberty, and this is a type of normal thing over there.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah,
So
exactly. You have a really like good, I think, understanding of that. Yeah.
okay, 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 that's fine. Okay, anyway, so what he is doing, his profession is different.
Yeah, he is an electrician. Uh,
Hmm.
yeah, so he's an electrical engineer. Um, so it's like a lot of math, and he works with like electricity. It's hard for me
And,
to describe.
and okay, okay. Thank you so much for
Yeah.
having this type of conversation. So I really